Hey everybody, it's Melissa here and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm the nutritionist and health coach for foodies, and in this video I have got such a special treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make delicious avocado chocolate cookies. And basically normal cookies have butter, but I'm using avocado, which is a healthy monounsaturated fat, which is much more healthier for us than butter. So let's begin and let's be deliciously transformed. So firstly, we're going to mash one avocado in a bowl. The avocado, as I said, is full of monounsaturated fat, and that helps to lower our cholesterol and is also a source of vitamin E and fibre. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of agave syrup, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mash this up and whisk it so it's nice and smooth. You can use electric whisk if you prefer. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together half a cup of cacao powder, 40 grams of plain flour, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. We're then going to add the wet to the dry and just whisk until it's combined. Now it's time to add dark chocolate chips. We're going to add 60 grams, and we're using dark chocolate as it's got less sugar than milk chocolate. Once it's nice and mixed, we're gonna get a baking tray, line it with baking parchment. I use this reusable baking parchment, and we're gonna make 15 cookies. So just get a couple of tablespoons and make 15 little balls on a baking parchment and flatten it down. These cookies don't spread out in the oven, so you can make it as thin as you want. Bake for 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, take out the cookies and let it cool on a cooling rack. They're nice and gooey inside, and they're so delicious whenever you have a chocolate craving but don't want to get a sickly, overindulgent, energy-dense cookie. You can make these and they're less guilty. Now, I hope you enjoyed these delicious chocolate cookies. I don't think these will last long in my household. Now, if you enjoyed these recipes, make sure to tag me on Instagram at The Delicious Nutritionist. And if you're a foodie like me, but you don't like to diet, but you want to stay in shape and have delicious, nutritious recipes, then you're going to really enjoy the meal plan subscription. Every Friday morning, I send a brand new meal plan to my subscribers, and you can enjoy saving time and having less stress because you don't need to plan any of your meals. You can let me, your personal nutritionist, plan your meal and give you delicious snacks, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and a shopping list. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.